When you cook in these vessels, the vegetables will retain its 100% nutritions. But if the cookware is not healthy, your food cannot become healthy. 100% I can guarantee on that. Non-stick Teflon coating has major health issues. So the growing up children needs very nutritious and chemical free food. So gift your family these iron cast vessels. I'm very excited to share with you all that first time I have ordered something very healthy cookwares, that is cast iron cookwares. So I have been using mud pots, but first time I have ordered for cast iron. We do have tawas at home, but not any kind of skillet or any other kadai. So first time I have ordered. Maybe you can see from which company I have ordered this. Later I'll tell you. I'm going to open this. So based on my feedback and reviews, maybe you can also order. They had some offer for Diwali, which was a combo offer, and I had chosen two cookwares, kadai and a tawa and a skillet, and they had mentioned that they are going to give me a gift also. So let me see which cookware this one is. I think this is the free one, free gift on Diwali. Oh wow! So this is one more kadai. Wow, it's beautiful. So I think this is a free gift, as they had mentioned in their website, and I follow them on the Instagram also. So they mention it's seasoned kadai, seasoned iron kadai. So nice. It looks like a non-stick surface. See, it's nice. So you just need to wash and do one processing. Otherwise, you don't have to season it and spend more time. So this is my free gift. So let me take out my other cookware. I think this is okay. I am going to open my first cookware. Oh, this is skillet. So this is the skillet. They had mentioned that the capacity of the skillet is 1.5 liters. So once I start using for 2-3 times, see, it's nice. This is also seasoned. Maybe after a couple of uses, it becomes like non-stick. The surface will become non-stick. There are tiny holes, but this is how the iron vessels come, maybe. So there is one procedure we need to follow before the first time use. You just need to wash it with soft sponge and then dry it and apply oil and heat it for a couple of minutes. So if we follow the procedure and do some cooking for 2-3 times, then it becomes beautiful, I think. So my next cookware, this is the tawa. See, the cast iron tawa. They are so heavy. So if you want to do some gym and all at home, then take these cookwares and do it. So look at this tawa. It's beautiful. So this has the iron handle, whereas the free gift has the wooden handle. So I think while cooking you need to be little careful, but that is how in the market also we get neer dosa tawa, in Karnataka, Bangalore side and all, we make neer dosa. So neer dosa kadai also, tawa also comes with the same iron handle, but this is little more longer. So you can make masala dosa, chapatis, whatever you wish to. So this, they say that it's 10 inches. I think it's 10 inches tawa. And my next, oh my god, this is so heavy. I'm sure this is my kadai. So kadai, they say it's the capacity of the kadai is 2.5 liters.
The one more model is available, no, in the same one.
Yeah, they have 1.5 liters, and this one they say it's 2.5 liters.
Another one.
Oh god, another one they say 1.5 liters. They have combo with the smaller one also. So this is the beautiful combo I really liked. You know, this is the most essential cookwares at home. Make some curries. Even you know, after cooking the dal, you can season. Season and put the dal and do anything, whatever, upma, whatever. But it's really heavy, so you have to get used to these vessels. It's nice, it's well seasoned, it's nice, it's really nice. So there is no nothing
Oh my god.
you know, like oil or something they have used, but they have these are handmade, what they say. It's heavy, but the capacity of this kadai is 2.5. Of course you can't make biryani on this, but all the curries for 4 to 5 people you can cook in this. And this one for your dosai and chapatis, and this one for your paneer fry or whatever you can do. So people, you saw these 3 cookwares. The 4th one is my gift for Deepavali. And also, you know, you make any vegetables on by using these aluminum cookwares and non-stick cookwares, but because of the chemical reaction, once you heat these vessels, because of the chemical reaction, you know, the nutrition's value out of the vegetables, you know, it just vanishes. So we just eat you know, the nil nutritious food. Whereas when it comes to mud pots and iron vessels and other copper or brass, you know, whichever where our traditional vessels of our country, when you cook in these vessels, you know, the vegetables will retain its 100% nutritions. So some nutritions may you know, go off by, you know, with refined oil or salt, but this is far better than, you know, non-stick and aluminum cookwares. Of course, the durability also is very long. You know, I have bought this in 2021. I'm not sure, I don't know for how many years, you know, I can use this, maybe 20 years or 30 years. So for durability also you should buy this, and most important is for your health. So this year Deepavali, for my family, I have bought these iron vessels, and it was our anniversary. I didn't want to buy any clothes or something, so I just told my husband, this year let's buy something healthy. Let's throw away the non-stick pans and let's start using cast iron pans, which is equivalent to non-stick. Non-stick Teflon coating has major health issues, so the growing up children needs very nutritious and chemical free food. So gift your family these iron cast iron vessels or mud pots, or replace it with healthy cookwares. Cookwares matters a lot, even if you are on diet and eating very little or eating very healthy food. But if the cookware is not healthy, your food cannot become healthy. 100% I can guarantee on that. So I don't know for how long this offer will remain on. So let me reveal from which brand I have bought this. The Indus Valley. So I had gone through the reviews on Amazon, Flipkart and Instagram also, and found, we found Okay, this is more.
We'll put it in the description link.
Yeah. So they have beautiful vessels, even copper and mud pots also. So you order whichever you like and whichever is easy for you to handle. So the Indus Value, thank you so much for the gift, and thank you so much for making us healthy cookware and also seasoning it. Seasoning in the market you cannot buy, because at home you have to bring it and season it, but whereas this particular company seasons all their cast iron vessels and gives it to you. So thank you Indus Valley, and people, thank you for watching this video. I hope this video has inspired you to change your cookwares and become little more healthy. Namaste.